Today we're focusing on unlocking the core and hips, two areas that hold tension and power. In these 5 minutes, we'll strengthen and release, leaving you grounded and ready to move through the day with ease. Let's hit the mat. Begin on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and left leg back, reaching through your fingertips and toes. Engage your core to maintain balance and stability. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch to the left side. This movement activates your core and glutes, bringing awareness and strength as we start the routine. Stay on your knees, with hands resting on the mat. Gently lower your hips back towards your heels, then come back up. Each setup creates warmth and flexibility in your hips, loosening any tightness. Imagine your hips opening with each movement, grounding your lower body and building stability. This stretch prepares you for further hip engagement. Move into pigeon pose by bringing your right knee forward and extending your left leg behind. Lower your torso slightly over your right leg, feeling the stretch through your hip and glute. Breathe deeply here, letting your hip relax and release. Switch to the left side after 30 seconds. This position releases tension, bringing flexibility to your hips and making space for ease and movement. From a kneeling position, step your right foot out to the side. Place your right forearm on your thigh and extend overhead. Feel the lengthening stretch along your side, from hip to your fingertips. Switch sides after 30 seconds, extending your left arm this time. Each reach loosens your side body, helping you feel open and balanced from core to hip. Finish on all fours with cat-cow. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your gaze, and exhale as you round your spine, drawing your chin to your chest. Feel the movement travel through each vertebrae, releasing any last bits of stiffness. This final wave invites flexibility into your core and spine, leaving you feeling calm, strong, and connected. Great work, fam. You've taken 5 minutes to unlock strength and flexibility in your core and hips, setting a solid foundation for the day. Keep this grounded energy with you. For more, try another stretch, a workout, or a moment of stillness. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.